I'm going to Greece, so I got about $100 worth of stuff from SHEIN. So try it on with me. Let's be real, some of it's gonna fit, some of it's not gonna fit. And for this trip, I'm being a little ambitious. I know a lot of the models in the photos are like 120 pounds and I'm like 165, 5'6". So I've done a lot of larges to make sure it's kind of flowy, but as you can see, this top already is kind of overflowy. And honestly, I forgot like how many things I even bought because it's been arriving in like random spurts. A lot of the times it doesn't all send together. So we'll do a tally at the end and see just what I got for $100. And the best part was, as I was going through the checkout and adding things, you know how SHEIN has so many coupons? So it was just like deducting $25. Then I was like, oh, I can get $25 more worth of stuff. So let me add some on. I love the game, if it is, of like adding your cart and seeing what all you can get. But now it's the scary part of the game where you're like, okay, what actually fits and what doesn't? And also I'm going to Greece, so let's see what's realistic for that trip and what's not. Be real with me in the comments, guys. Be nice in the comments, but be realistic. Some things I realize I'm not going to bring, and that's okay because we want to pack light anyway. I'll make that a separate video, what actually makes the cut for Greece. But for this video, let's jump right into it. So the first step of trying things on is you really need a full-length mirror. I got it off of TikTok shop, but they also have it on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below to things, but it was pretty affordable. Got storage in the back, and then I can keep all my jewelry in here. So once I get to that stage of packing, I can just look at all my jewelry laid out instead of going through like all these bags that I used to go through. So I was really excited for these shorts, but I know they're kind of like a linen material. They don't have any pockets, so that's okay. I don't really keep stuff in my pockets. I usually do like a crossbody bag. But the key here was I need them for walking. So, you know, those of us that have thighs, we need some longer shorts so we don't get, you know, chafing down here. So these work really well. They're kind of like, I'd say about 2 inches for the seam, so I won't have any chafing while I'm walking. And since they are linen, they are a little bit see-through. I wore like leopard underwear so you guys can kind of see. I'll just have to be mindful of that and wear a specific kind of underwear. But the shirt, I don't think is gonna work. I went with the large because I have broad shoulders, but I think it's too big. I probably should have gone with a medium. And it kind of is gaping in the back, but I also haven't figured out how to exactly adjust it. So it has potential, but I'm not sure if it's gonna make the final cut. But what do you guys think? I really like how the back is. So you can like adjust it here. We love this one, guys. And it has a tie here, so you can make it as close or as far away as you like. And adjust it. And again, this one was a large. I can also adjust it at the top. It's just a tie. Imagine dancing all night in this one. All right, next up we have the two-tone. This one is really cute, guys. I like that even the straps are like two-tone, so it makes a cute little bow in the back. I just tied it really quick, but you could see the potential with it. It's really snug here. And again, you can adjust it. Or I could wear it like this, kind of tuck it under, however I want. And then these are new shorts. They're tugging a little bit, but I think they could work with a shirt like this. Maybe if I put a belt on. I think the booty looks really good though. And I can still twerk in them, so that works. But I really like them because they're scalloped on the bottom here. And again, I can walk in them. There's like a 2-inch seam here. This one is so fun. I should have gotten more colors in it. I probably could go up one more size just to make it a little more baggy, but I really like how it is with the fringe. Comes down here. This one I forgot I even got, but it's like adjustable here. Ooh, I kind of like that. I feel like I need to cinch it more. And I have small boobs, so something like this works perfect. They just like keep them tight. I don't think I even need a bra with them. I might wear like a pasty. I'm getting deodorant on stuff. Guys, I just opened this big bag and I forgot I even bought some of this stuff. Like the colors are so pretty. They're so greased. I don't know about this one, guys. In theory, it's cool, but it's kind of like my boobs are kind of sticking out. I'm gonna have to play with this one, but the idea of it works. But see how it's kind of like, I don't know if I have to like double it or maybe secure the bag a little bit for this to like hang more. But it's a large, so I can't go much bigger than that or it's gonna, you know, slide down. This is one of those that's gonna take time. I don't know if I'll have the patience to do it on vacation to try to adjust it all the right way. I might have this tied too tight. I don't know about this one. I'm putting this one back on because I forgot I have one more pair of shorts to show you guys. Of course, I tied my shorts into my shirt there. So, I was thinking these ones would be fun for the beach. They're kind of like frilly. So for a day where we're like exploring, they're also elastic waist. But so like a day where we're like walking around town and then we go to the beach, maybe I have a bikini on underneath. We've got cute pockets. So part of the Greece trip, we're going on a cruise ship to get around the islands. Because I was thinking in my mind, I'm like, for us to get a ferry and then if it's windy and the ferry gets canceled and then we have to get a new hotel, you know, you hear all these horror stories on social media. So we're like, for this trip, since we don't know Greece that well, we'll just, you know, book a cruise. That way we have all of our luggage on the ship and we can get on and off and explore, do whatever we want. So I was thinking this could be like a nighttime look, you know, when we're just sitting on deck, but it's a tie here. And then, so it goes on kind of backwards. It's got all this fabric here and it's got the sleeves. So I'm thinking if it's cold on the water, sitting on deck. So you can kind of play with this however you want. But I think the photo had something like this where you tie it on the side. Make it fluffy. I think this would just be a fun little vacation-y outfit. Again, we've got our thigh protection here. This came out really good, guys. And I like that you can kind of play with the shape. I can leave a boa here, here. And it just kind of unties like this. So you put it on this way and then tie around. I like it. Now we're moving on to the dresses. Just to give you guys an idea of how stuff comes packed. So it's kind of crumpled up in a bag. Most of the bags say SHEIN on them. So it'll be like this. And they're just kind of sitting on the bottom there. But it's just like a Ziploc bag basically. So whenever I go on vacation, I actually use these for my wet swimsuits. So it works really good as like a Ziploc bag. And I thought this print was like super grease. Goes all the way to the floor. Like perfect length. Here you can see. So this one's good. And the thing I love about this material too is you can just bundle it up and like roll it up and just, you know, roll it out and it will be wrinkle free. Let me show you, it comes all the way to the floor. Sorry, they don't come to the floor, they come to your ankle. But I really like the print on this one. This one is so fun. It's like a crochet, and then it's got like a material underneath. It comes down to about here. We'll just pull that down. But it's way too hot. It's definitely like a fun in concept, but for Greece, it'll be too hot. But I have plenty of other places I could wear it. And again, you can adjust it. This is just a tie here. Okay, so this one, I don't really know how to put this on, guys. It looked like it was just kind of like a wrap. I don't know. Like it has a tie down here, but I don't know if I'm supposed to tie this to the, or if it's just like a wrap. So for now, this is what it looks like. I really like the color, so hopefully I can figure it out. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Let me check. Nope, yep, that's how they have it. They have theirs tied up a little higher. Maybe that's. But I really like the movement of it. See what I mean? It's really cute. I don't know, I just gotta play with it. But this might be the wedding dress, just from the color alone. Although, guys, this one is really cute too. It's got a slit in the side. There's a booty. Looks like this makes my butt look really good, actually. I don't know, this could be the dress, guys. I think it's between this one and the yellow one though. You know what? One thing I did forget to tell you guys is I lied a little bit, because I've been playing this game on Shein called Puppy Keep, and I had a $30 coupon because like after feeding your dog for like a month, you get like a free coupon for free merchandise. It has a bunch of different things that you can choose, but I chose the $30 one because of course you can see how much you can get with $30. So technically I did have that $30 coupon when I was buying my $100 worth of stuff. So technically it was $130 worth of stuff. But still, it's so much stuff. It's like, I still can't believe I have this much. I definitely can't pack all of this for Greece, and not all of it is going to be relevant. Can't see myself going to the Acropolis in some of these shirts. So we're gonna have to reassess. I'll go ahead and make that a different video because I think you've had enough of me trying on stuff today. I'll make a packing video, and make sure you follow the series because I'm going to do how I planned my trip, how I packed for my trip, how I took the trip, how it all went. Instead of one long video, I'm gonna break it up for you guys. Stay tuned for those. And if you're interested in more Shein stuff, I really recommend doing this video because I found the cutest cover-ups. They might make it on vacation too with me. We'll see how it goes, but they're really cute and some of them are neon yellow. I just love bright colors. And in the meantime, this is the video YouTube thinks you'll like the most. So check that one out and stay tuned for my Greece trip.